5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. Mtrix-sc.com's starting line is the project creation. Click on Budgets and Material Takeoff. Then click on Create New Project. Fill in the fields appropriately. The project name and code depends on how your company works, so it's up to you how to fill them in. Write down the name of the persons that will oversee your construction work. Please have special attention when you select the construction work initial date, currency, and decimal symbol to use. These fields cannot be modified once you create your project. Click on Save and continue to create your new project. Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.